CETOL Six Sigma is a powerful yet easy-to-use 3D tolerance analysis solution used for over 25 years by engineers worldwide to build the highest quality products at the lowest cost possible. Building the analysis model couldn't be easier. The tools are presented in the same order as the workflow, so you're not overwhelmed with icons. Simply choose the appropriate tool and then select the features of the parts you want to include. If the selected features have associated tolerance data, or PMI, CETOL would automatically use it. As you work, CETOL presents the details of the analysis model in several different ways. The hierarchical tree view helps you easily understand the relationships between assemblies, parts, features, tolerances, variables, and assembly constraints. The graph view provides another perspective with a visual indication of the relationship between parts in the assembly or features on a part. Assembly states allow you to define completely different positions of the parts included in the analysis and even what parts are included. CETOL places them based on the assembly constraints you define within the tool, regardless of how they are placed in the assembly file. A single CETOL's data file can therefore include all the analysis you want to perform on your designs. When the model is complete, solve once. CETOL automatically calculates the worst case and statistical results with desired quality metrics of all distances and angles analyzed. It also simultaneously calculates the sensitivities and contributions, both presented in an ordered Pareto diagram from biggest to smallest. Sensitivities, along with a related visualization tool, help you understand how variation from a particular source impacts the atoms analyzed. Contributions let you know which particular sources of error are causing variation in the assembly level requirements being analyzed. These are the tolerances you should consider reducing to achieve the biggest improvement to your design. Changes to any of the tolerances or distributions on the input dimensions immediately update the results, allowing you to find the optimum set of tolerances for your design requirements very quickly. Competitive products require you to rerun the simulation when anything changes. Few people perform tolerance analyses daily or even weekly. CETOL therefore includes many forms of assistance to help users return to the software. The advisor provides guidance on the next steps or items that should be reviewed by the user. Context-sensitive help on any advisor message or CETOL window is just a click away. And throughout the help system are links to videos that help explain the concepts visually. When you're done with your work and need to communicate the results to others, CETOL offers a very flexible report generator that you can tailor to your needs, whether it be a document format for archiving or a table showing the contributions of all variation sources to all requirements using color coding to highlight critical elements. For more information about CETOL Six Sigma, please visit our website at sigmetrix.com.